Thank you and welcome to EverLogic Training. My name is Jennifer and today we're going to talk about a few more miscellaneous topics. EverLogic works with AppOne on funding a deal. Your dealership will need to be integrated with AppOne to take advantage of this function. To set up the AppOne interface with EverLogic, the dealership must sign up with AppOne. Access everlogic.com/AppOne for more details. When it comes time to finance the deal, from the deal window, you'll access Deal Tools from your toolbar and then select Send to AppOne. And then you'll receive the message in a pop-up window. Simple as that. It is possible to reassign a customer to a different salesperson. I'm going to show you two ways to do this in EverLogic. So from the customer information form, you can physically come into the assigned salesperson and choose from the drop-down menu and change the salesperson here. Just be sure to save. That's how you would reassign just one customer to a different salesperson. But what if you have multiple customers that you need to assign to a different salesperson? There is an option in EverLogic under the Sales Operations tab where you go to Reassign Customers. Now, this will reassign all customers assigned to the salesperson. So let's say that we have all of the customers assigned to Mr. Fowler, and we search. So we've got about 30 customers that we need to reassign to a different salesperson. What you'll do is click on the Reassign button, then select the new salesperson that you wish to assign them to, and then click Reassign. At that time, you'll notice none of those customers are still assigned to Mr. Fowler, but instead, if we go to Mr. Crawford and search, those customers are now assigned to him instead. It's just as simple as that. Today I want to show you how to do an advanced inventory search. And keep in mind that the user will need to have permission to search inventory in order to use this feature. So I'm going to the Sales Operations tab and we're going to click on Advanced Search. This search allows you to use up to 3 levels for search, and sometimes you can find things on this search that you won't be able to find in other FlexView searches. So by choosing the accounting report in the upper right corner, it allows you to choose from the different options here, such as the days on lot, or the stock number, vehicle type, or make and model. I'm going to use the make and model along with the year, and then click Search, and then your search displays on the window behind. It's just as simple as that. With EverLogic, you have the option to change the bin locations of all parts that are assigned to a specific bin. In order to do this, we'll go over to the System Setup tab and then choose Bin Locations. I'm then going to select the line with the bin location that I want to move the parts from. I'll do so by clicking the blue box to the left of the line that I want to select. I then click the Move Bin Contents button and then select the bin that I want to move these parts to. And then when I click that option, I'll click Move. And now all of the parts that were assigned to the default bin have now been moved to the camping bin. Always be sure to save. And now you're ready to move on. It is possible to reopen a repair order as long as the repair order has not been posted into QuickBooks. If it has already been posted into QuickBooks, be sure to get in touch with your accountant before moving forward. So what we're going to do is locate our repair order that we need to reopen, and on the toolbar, go to the Tools button and click the Reopen option. Simple as that. It's reopened. Thank you so much for joining us today. Look forward to working with you again soon.